autofocus versus manual focus. This conversation has been had for a minute, and it's just so surprising why it's always the beginners, or it's always people that think like they have to do things the hard way. That you see, I don't have a problem with manual focus. Only if you have a focus puller, you are good. But if you are doing a run and gun thing, if you are doing a one-man production thing, if you are like you are running out of time, bro, just do autofocus, because there's nothing wrong with autofocus. Listen, I have come to understand and then realize and accepted that people that actually accept systems, right? People that actually accept systems and then models earlier are the people that actually thrive. Because it's built to make your work easier, but if you decide to go the harder way because you want to prove a point, you are not proving a point, you are just making your life harder. Imagine yourself shooting like an event on manual focus. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, especially if you push your aperture up to maybe like 4, 7.1 and all that. There's nothing wrong with that. Like, it's actually a good experience, but me, I'm not gonna do that. Especially if I have the option of autofocus. You know, sometimes you can't rely on autofocus, so it goes off and all that. But like, if you are very confident with your camera, you understand like the focus points of the camera, you are able to get something beautiful. But I don't know why people are so bent on doing manual focus, even if they have the option of autofocus. Listen, if your lens is just a manual focus and you need to, rack focus, like allow it to, like, build that whole system, that's fine. It makes sense. Like, I don't have a problem with that. But if you have an option of autofocus and then the system or the space that you are operating in, and the autofocus system will actually work and make your work easier, why would you forcefully go for a manual focus? You are the only person shooting, like you're a single solo shooter, you are doing run and gun, you are editing faster, like there's so much pace in your work, but you're still trying to do manual focus because you have to prove a point to people that like I am this, I am that. Bro, you are nothing. It is about time we get to accept and understand systems that they are built to make our life easier. I understand sometimes when you shoot like autofocus, right? Your focus actually breathes a lot, like it breathes a lot. But if you have the option and you have the luxury of a good autofocus system, you have a good lens, why would you still have to push for manual focus because you are trying to prove a point to everybody around you that I am the man? You are not, bro. You are nothing. In the final analysis, it's about who was able to give us like good videos. So like, you are so bent on manual focus on your phone. Why don't you shoot manual focus on your phone? Why are we forcefully asked to shoot autofocus? You see, I don't have a problem with manual focus. That's my point. So my point here is, if you have the privilege of an autofocus system, just go ahead and use it, because it's a blessing. It's something that has been added onto human life to make human lives easy. So it's either you are accepting the systems or the systems we are going to leave you behind. So there's nothing wrong with autofocus. Sometimes people try to force people to use manual focus because learn how to use manual. So say if you get auto, you go make simple, bro. It's auto. It's simple. There's no way you are going to do something extra. So far as you understand your focus points, you are good. So yes, me personally, I always choose like autofocus over manual focus. And then my name is Shatta Wale from Afro Blaq Africa Shows, and this is the point I tell you guys to go get busy.